One white elephant.
You're a daddy.
So one white elephant.
White buffalo, I'm sorry.
They would know. You can't wrap that.
Are you sure? Hi, Mom.
I'm kind of just sitting here waiting. But once again, I'm just
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, wait, not yet.
Oh my! It's a.
Rip it open.
It's a. Mike, can she always just slow on Christmas morning too?
It's sausage! From Jim. Yes! Here we go now.
What is it?
No. Yes! It is salad. It's a Yamaha.
I wouldn't stick your head near it. I saw it in the car like 4 years ago. And
Do it anyway!
I'll do it.
Do it anyway. Huh?
Where'd you get from?
It was in our basement.
Don't worry, spray heater. Don't worry, spray WD-40.
Is there any nest in there or anything?
What?
No, he cleaned it out with WD-40.
1970 in it.
That's cool. Keep it thick. Yeah, that's an old helmet.
motorcycle.
Rachel Cole bought that thing.
What is it?
Where's Rachel? Oh,
That's
yeah.
That's probably worth money.
There she is.
Open it up, see if it's in there. That's solid. That's probably worth money. Someone's a journey.
Give him a detention there.
Oh, that's your mom?
Oh, cool. I can look.
He popped up on me. Did you bring it there?
Look.
Don't
put it on the couch.
Let's see, what is it? Hey, down in the run!
Yeah!
Oh, yeah! That's a gun! What is it? Oh, yeah! Turn over. What are they?
They're redskins.
Rat? There's a mouth.
Yeah. Some of his dentures.
Are those with your... Twice a big.
Oh, the one on the bottom.
Ran the clock. There we go.
What is that? What is that from, Greg?
It's like an impression to somebody.
Oh, that was in Nate's?
Who did push bean wrapping paper?
Nate, did you shoot this with your BB gun?
Did you think that was like?
Is it a rat?
Yeah, that's
Who else is scared?
You ever seen his teeth? Come on.
I didn't realize that one
He's got like the four front ones.
try that.
Fake.
What are you going to meet up?
It's like
You touch it.
Hey Nate, what'd you do with the McDonald's? Hey Mandy. What'd you do with the McDonald's outfit? Hey,
Save that paper.
should have tossed that in the bottle too.
See, that just says show me later.
He dresses up in the McDonald's.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
gross.
Jim, move your head. Thank you.
You read
Next year.
Well, Mark didn't.
You want to see Kristen?
Are you really trying to be careful?
Hey, buddy.
Why are you trying to save the thing?
Mike, down in
This is like.
use it next year.
Rip it off!
For Mom.
Baked beans is the last thing we needed.
You use way too much paper. I mean, tape.
That was your floor?
It's like this tiny little thing.
Where'd you get that from?
Done. Like,
Where's your big bean?
Oh, you broke the
Rip it open!
It's a gonna break.
Whoa!
Alright. Down in front, Norton. Ah, shut up.
Nothing.
Alright.
Nothing.
Alright. Did John make this or buy it?
Oh, what?
Open one box, open another.
You can't put anything in there.
Who left with two doing dad tricks?
Mike did, didn't he?
Nothing.
Mike
In the middle. In the middle.
I
What is it? Let's see.
don't know what.
It's a rat! It's a nose ring!
It's a white elephant.
Oh, let me see that.
I thought it was teeth. Did you have that one?
Man, hold it still.
Oh,
Where'd you find that?
no doubt. We know what get.
From the White House?
That's getting left here.
The lighting, wait.
It's the
Wait. The lighting's bad this way.
It's a Yule log.
Well, you can turn.
Artline window mounted bird feeder.
That's not it.
Exactly. With the thermometer. If it's got the thermometer, it could be worth money.
It's a bunch of bird seeds.
I know. Bird poop.
Nope.
It's a bird. It's a dead one.
Okay.
There's something inside.
Careful, it might be something dead.
Is this it?
No.
Keep digging. This jewelry box.
Another
Another retainers. You got another one.
Let's see.
It's not.
It's the same one.
The original one.
It's Tony's Superman. His rainbow one.
That's solid.
can do nothing but get better.
Well, hey, Kristen always, you know,
It's inside the
teeth go crooked.
Yeah, we skinned this girl out last year.
Looks like garlic powder to me, yeah. Fish food. Open it up.
What's in there?
There's a food I gave my iguana.
And he was a baby.
Reptile supplement.
There's a little part.
It's a bomb.
It's a bomb.
A buck?
A bomb.
Let's see.
See?
You gotta take it out.
Take it out, see if it'll blow up.
What is it?
It's a distributor.
Okay.
Laying around on business.
Honey, it jumps on it. Sorry. It's the same without any chemicals.
I didn't do that. Who did that one? Ben.
What are they?
Guilty look. Phil.
Hold them up.
Oh! Sparkles.
Oh.
Oh, that's a nice little hat.
Oh yeah.
Cool!
Oh, yeah. Getting out.
Careful!
Careful.
Break something in there.
I don't want anything to explode.
Pancakes going
For the cheese!
The cheese! The bricko cheese. I'm not thinking of rat that.
Directions are on the back side.
What happened to duct tape? What happened to the good old stuff? Al, what is this thing?
Nice hurl, Greg. You should take that home.
Just missed her. Ain't good at it.
Is this like a regular antenna, Al?
Yes, a TV antenna.
I need
The guy in Milwaukee gave it to me.
No, you got it more last night.
a guy in Milwaukee.
My dad was the first one who
I know.
got it.
Your dad gave it to our dad.
Uh-huh.
And Joel.
Joel ended up getting it.
I know. Like 44 just after you picked that one.
Yeah. On the bottom.
See what year it's from? Read that newspaper.
What year?
You read the directions.
1954. Oh, way.
This 14 antenna.
Nice. Is there more in here too?
Yeah, lots more.
Wow.
Lots more.
Do you think I can convert this to my car?
What is that?
TV and open roll.
Did you say it's school now?
Okay, I'm gonna need a pocket
Tracy,
knife.
we don't really need to look at your butt.
Huh? Oh, sorry. Ben, I'm gonna need a pocket knife.
I want
Mike?
a car.
I got mine at home.
He's everybody who owns millions pocket knife doesn't make.
You got keys?
I don't have any keys on me.
Mike, did you want to
Don't worry about
Merry
saying the
Christmas.
paper.
Okay.
say it now?
Merry Christmas.
Ditto.
Hello. Okay.
Okay.
Lori, say something important.
I didn't have anything important to say.
Ah.